All right, in this step, we're going to learn how to create a Facebook pixel and how to install that pixel in your funnel. Now, the reason why you need to have a pixel, what is a pixel? A pixel is a tracking code that will track all the activities on your page. Once you place an ad in Facebook, Facebook will track everyone who clicks on your ads, who clicks on your page, how many people are going to sign up for your email list. So it is very important that you have your pixel set up properly and you have it working before you start placing your ads. That's important because you need to know how much you're paying per click, how much each subscription is costing you. It's very important for you to know your numbers. If you don't have that, there is no way to know how much you're spending per click and how many subscribers you're getting, how much you're paying for each subscriber. So it is very important for you so that you know which ad set is working, which ads are performing well and which ones are not, so you can control when an ad is good and when an ad is not good, you can turn it off. So it is extremely important that you have your pixel set up properly. So I'm going to be teaching you how to get that done right now. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go over here. You are on your regular Facebook page. You open your Facebook, and then on the top right here, right next to this question mark, there is a drop down that you click, and then you go to your business manager. Remember, we set up your business manager before. You had 2 accounts. Now we're going to go to one of them. Remember, you need to go to the ad account in which you're going to be using. Okay, so in this case, let me go to the number 3, account number 3. This is pretending this is a brand new account. You're starting fresh. This is the first time you're setting up a funnel. I'm using account number 3 just to show you because account number 1 and 2 are already being used with different funnels. So you want to make sure that up here you have the right account chosen. Now remember, I only have this many accounts because when I created them, Facebook did let people have as many as 5 ad accounts per business, and I have 2 businesses here and 5 ad accounts each. But nowadays you can only have 2 businesses and 1 ad account each, so you will have 2 ad accounts. So in this case, I want to make sure that I am on the right account. So I'm going to go to account number 3. Now, this is account number 3. Now I go up here on the top left where it says Ads Manager, and then I go to All Tools, and I go to Pixels. And I click on Pixels, and I wait for it to open up. And again, just make sure that you are in the right account up here, account number 3, because sometimes when you go to Pixels, for some reason, the account up here changes, and you just have to make sure you are creating a pixel in the right account. So then I create a pixel, and I click Create, and now Facebook is creating a pixel for this account. Now remember, the pixel is attached to the account. So if you're using that account, that's the pixel you're using. Now, if you change the account, if you're going to use a different account, let's say DIY Work at Home 4 or 5, then I have to create a new pixel and put it in my funnel. So whatever account I'm using, I have to make sure that I am using the correct pixel. So I click on manually install the code. And then down here, this big code over here where it says use advanced matching. There's a big code. If I hover my mouse over it, it gets blue. So I just click and it copies automatically. Just one click, see? Just one click and it's copied. Now I go up here on my ClickFunnels. I go to my ClickFunnels account. Come on, ClickFunnels, open up. There it is. Let me go to my funnels. Hold on, this is not the funnel I want to use. Let me go to my funnels and I'm going to show you which one is it? This one. I want to go to my Wi-Fi Millionaire, which is the one that we've been working on. Now what I want to do here is on the top right, on the settings, I click on settings on the top right, and then down here where it says head tracking code, I click inside that box and I right click on my mouse and I click on paste. Now you can also do Control C to copy and Control V to paste, it's up to you. But if you're using your mouse, you right click and then you paste it in there. You see the whole big thing is inside that box. Once it's all in there, I go all the way down to the page and then I save. And there it is. That's my landing page pixel. Okay, so now Facebook will track everyone who gets here to my landing page. Now there is another step that we need to do. We go back to the pixel and we click down here on the blue continue, and it brings to this page. Now here I want to click on the second option, which is generate lead. I want Facebook to track how many leads I'm going to get, how many people are going to sign up to my email autoresponder. So you see this little code here that says lead. I hover over it, and once again I click to copy, and it's copied. Now I go back to ClickFunnels. Now I want to go to the thank you page. I go to the thank you page, and once I get here to the thank you page, I click on the yellow button, edit page. Now this time the pixel is going to go inside the page and not on the settings as we did before. And then once we're here, we go to the settings, and then we click on tracking code, and inside this box we paste that little code right there. Once it's pasted, I can close this box, clicking on the X, and then on the top right, save. Always save everything you do. Okay, don't forget. And then we can get out. The pixel is done. We go back to Facebook, and then we click done. And that's it. The pixel is set up, ready to go, and the next step will be placing ads. See you in the next video.